Hello, friends. Before we begin, I want to be completely honest with you. In my very first videos, I used an AI generated voice because at that time I didn't have a right equipment for those videos. But from today, I will be using my real voice, like as right now. I hope you like it, guys. Really, I kind of a little bit nervous about that because this is my first experiment. Like kind of like these video recording or also like voice recording. Whatever. I believe this will help us for the connect together and also each other a much more authentic way. I hope so. And by the way, it's my English is a little bit different to you if like that, if you feel like that because I'm not in English or like not an American, I'm like Turkish. That's the reason might be. I should also say I might not get my breathing perfectly because as I said this is my first experience. They're perfectly right in these recordings, so please forgive me, guys, if it sounds a little bit off sometimes. That's the reason. I opened this channel not only to share financial knowledge, but also to grow together and also psychological and personal level as well. Because if you have like kind of different experiments on financial and also like kind of personal and also psychological, please comment on below. I want to see and also share your thoughts. Who knows? We can help each other, you know? Because true freedom, in my opinion, is not just about the money. It's about the mindset and discipline and also mental strength as well. We have to learn. We are here to learn, to grow, and to become stronger together. And that's exactly why today I want to talk about something powerful but often misunderstood: financial leverage. It's a tool that can either accelerate your path to freedom or trap you in unexpected risks. And explain to this, I will share both of what's happening right now in the global markets and also on my story of buying a home with a mortgage last year. I know my pronunciation is not good. I know. I'm sorry, guys. What is financial leverage? Leverage is simply meaning using borrow money to increase the potential return on investment. In simple words, you put in some of your own money and borrow the rest. If the return is higher than cost of borrowing, you win big. But if it's not, you can lose everything faster than you expect, really. Because also on crypto markets, I liquidate sometimes. I did that, and right now, no. But this is my opinion. Not advice. This is not a personal advice. Leverage magnifies your gains, but it also magnifies your losses. That's why leverage is like fire. In the fireplace, it warms your home, but left uncontrolled, it can burn everything down. And as you can see, the just almost like 2 days ago, Trump announced the new tariffs on China, 100% for import. It's huge. And markets reacted instantly, like a snap, like a Thanos, you know. And within hours, billions of dollars were wiped out on the crypto markets. Why? Because the traders were using extremely leverage, like 10x, 50x, even in like 100x margin. When price dropped just a little, those positions were automatically liquidated. The people didn't just lose the profits, they are just lost their entire capital in just seconds or minutes. This is the problem with speculative leverage. It ties your future to headlines you can't control. Because those are really big whales, guys. Those are really big whales. That kind of ETF companies like control the billions of dollars. We are just on here maybe thousands or also like 100,000. We can earn. I don't know how much you got. It depends on the person, but I am also certain on that. Nobody wants to lose money, but that guys cannot be. But you and me, yes, we can lose money, but they are not. They're kind of like God level right now. It makes you vulnerable to panic, politics, and sudden shocks. That's not financial freedom. That's a gambling, bro, with borrowed time, really, because we have really limited time on the earth, like almost 60 years, 70 years, and who knows, might be we are. It's yeah, different kind of topic, but we have a limited time, and if you are came here to zero, and also your family is broke, it's really bad situation for you if you are got wiped out everything. Really, it's real gamble, bro. And this is kind of scam for me, and that's the reason I'm just saying like these crypto markets like scam like projects versus strategic leverage. Also, we can talk about that. Now, right now, let's compare two different types of leverage. As I said, scam and also strategic ways. Speculative leverage, the crypto margin trading, quick bets with borrow money, extremely sensitive to small price changes, can be wiped out in seconds. Strategic leverage, using a mortgage to buy a home, long-term predictable payments, tied to real and tangible assets, can generate income or appreciate in value. The key difference is simple. It's really simple. Speculative leverage is a short term and it's really fragile. Strategic leverage is a long term and productive. Really. In my personal story, I want to talk about right now, because you don't know me and also I don't know you. Let me share some thoughts about my personal things. In last year, I bought a home using a mortgage. I'm so sorry, guys. That was my way of applying leverage responsibly. Instead of putting my money into risky schemes, I choose to borrow against something real. My homes give me stability. If I decide to rent it, I can provide cash flow. And over time, the property can gain value. Most importantly, I don't have to worry about being liquidated overnight because of the sudden headline. Was it easy? Not at all. Really, it's not that easy, kinda. Yeah, I know. And also, I saw a lot of reels, shorts, and TikToks. You have to do it just like blah 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 blah, like lots of red pill nonsense. Yes, I know, but this is kind of all different level. It's really hard because I'm also came here to zero. It's real damn zero. It's really hard. I know, but we have to do it because the inflation is wiped out and also they are stealing our monies on our pockets, and we can just do it this one. We have to take money from the bank and also we are against the play to them. I had to run the numbers carefully. Monthly payments, interest rates, futures risk. I had to think about all of to them almost like, yeah, I know it's kind of, I don't have a father. And also I take care of my family because my mother is not gaining enough. And right now I am living on the rent and also take a home. It's kind of a little bit burden on my back, but I have to do that. Otherwise, how can I live? I know it's hard, but I cannot make a cry, you know? I have to do that. And also you have to do that. I know. And that decision after that, you have to be strong. On your mental, on your heart, and also on your pocket, bro. Really. But you will be. I believe in you, really, man. And lessons on using leverage wisely. This is my topic. I am getting the topics by topics. Might be you understand me. And also, might be you noticed already. And this is our the fifth topic. Here are some lessons I have learned. Leverage is not a free money, it's borrowed time. It allows to use someone else's money. Yeah, for an example, banks. I like the banks. Always tie leverage to productive assets, property, business, skills, or something else. But I know skills is okay, but actually the cash flow, I like that much better. Avoid the emotional decisions, trends, and also hype destroy wealth. For an example, you like some really extremely expensive car or like kind of new phone. You don't need that. Might be clothes, designer clothes, bags, or something else. Bro, you don't need that, really. You don't need that. Always have a repayment plan before you borrow. I have, and you have to take it as well, and you have to do it. If you can't sleep at night because of your debt, you have taken on too much leverage. Might be this is the reason you cannot sleep. But it's leverage on the good side, like as on the mortgage, and also like if you are tied this one on the some assets, might be is okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's really okay. But otherwise, if you have a gambling problem or kind of drinking, kind of like this, bro, you have to take control of yourself. Really, it's really hard times. So let's wrap this up, bros. Leverage is just a tool. Used recklessly, like in speculative crypto traders, it can destroy wealth overnight. Used strategically, like a mortgage for a home, it can accelerate your path to stability and freedom. The choice is yours. And also choice is ours. Really. This is not yours. This is ours choice. I made that choice, but I have the way to go. Too much way to go I have. And also yours. Might be you are far better than me. I hope you are like that. Really, I want to see. And also, please, if you are like that, just comment down below. I want to meet you. Really, bro. Will leverage be your trap or your tool for building a better future, right? I hope. And before we finish, if you found a value on this video, don't forget to like and share it with others to who might benefit. Please, guys. Please. Also, I would like to hear from you. What examples of the good debt or responsible leverage have you used in your own life? Share your thoughts and experience in the comments below, guys, please, so we can all learn and grow together.